Hi guys, welcome to Sparky Divas. Today I'm gonna be share with you my top 4 ways to use this little thing right here, which is very amazing product. And today I'm gonna share with you my top 4 ways to use this aloe vera gel for my hair. This is what I prefer to use this aloe vera gel for my hair, and it works wonderfully for my hair. Like I used to have a frizzy and damaged hair, and since I'm using this product, so it really worked for my hair so well, and it's amazing product. So let's get started. First way, I use this product as a hair mask. I mix aloe vera gel with curd and some honey. I'm gonna show you how I do this. For that, I have a curd with me, and this curd is enough for my hair. I'm gonna mix a half tablespoon of Patanjali honey in it, and gonna put this thing that is Patanjali aloe vera gel in it. Like it's a eyeballing, so you can use whatever quantity that you prefer, or like you that you prefer, and that would be enough for your hair. So I have put it. Now I'm just gonna mix all these ingredients really well. This paste is really moisturizing, and it will moisturize your hair to deep. Now I'm just gonna apply it to pattern my hair into the section and apply it to the root of my hair. This hair mask really moisturizes your hair and gives you healthy shiny hair, and it will increase the moisture into your hair. Like this pack would be very helpful to moisturize your hair. If you have a dry hair, then it would be very helpful to moisturize your hair and get the moisture back into your hair. And this pack will be very helpful for those who have dandruff as well. Like this pack would be very effective in dandruff as well, and this pack also makes your hair so smooth and shiny. Like I used to have a damaged and without shiny hair, and since I started using this, now I am having shiny and smooth hair. I leave this mask onto my hair for about good 30 minutes. After that, I rinse it off with shampoo, which I prefer to use, and you will experience a big difference from the first applying of this hair mask. For the second way, I use this aloe vera gel with coconut oil, and I mix them together, and this is how I use this. So I have a coconut oil with me in this bowl, and I took a 3 tablespoon of it, and this would be enough for my hair, and because I don't have a much longer hair, so that would be enough for me. And then I'm gonna mix a half lemon in it. I'm gonna squeeze in it, and then my most important ingredient, the aloe vera gel. I'm gonna take about 1 tablespoon of it, and then gonna mix it. Then gonna massage a bit, like a good massage. Coconut oil really goes deep into your scalp, and it really moisturizes your scalp really well. Applying the coconut oil onto your scalp, you wanna massage it really well for about 15 to 20 minutes. Like you wanna give it yourself a good massage, and by massaging your scalp, you will increase the blood circulation, which will be very helpful to give you volumized and long hair. And blood circulation would be very helpful to give you long hair as well. Like this mask is really helpful to retain your moisture into your hair and scalp, which would be very helpful to nourish your hair as well. Keep this mask to overnight, like after massaging it, keep your hair in a bun and then secure it with a band, and then leave it your hair to overnight, and in the morning wash it off with a shampoo, and you will experience a big difference in your hair texture and hair volume. Third way, I use it as a serum like leave-in conditioner, and this is how I use this. I just wash my hair and then just let them air dry. So I have this much of wet hair that you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some aloe vera gel onto my palms, this much, and then spread it in between my palms, and which is left over, then I'm just gonna massage it onto roots of my hair. It will instantly make my hair so soft, so smooth, and also it keeps the frizziness at the base of my hair, and it's really good option for those who have so frizzy hair, and it really helps in that. And now I have soft hair. If you have a frizzy hair, then it would be very helpful to tame down your frizziness, and this way it would be very helpful to protect your hair as well from the sun rays. If you are going out and applying this product before going in sun, and it would be protect your hair from sun rays, and it works as a resistance between your hair and the sun. If you use aloe vera gel as a leave-in conditioner, then it will be very helpful to give you soft and smooth and frizziness hair. And for fourth phase, I use it as a heat protectant, and this is how I use this for heat protectant. I'm just gonna take it on my palm and spread this in between my palms and apply it thoroughly onto my hairs. And then just gonna use flat iron. It really works as a heat protectant, like it creates a barrier between your hair and the heat that coming from any tongue and any flat iron. It really protects your hair from the heat, and it will also give you shine. These are the 4 ways that I use this aloe vera gel for my hair, and it works wonderfully for me. If these ways works wonderfully for you, then do not forget to let me know by commenting in the comment sections. And this is pretty much about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And you can also follow me on all my social media. I will link all my social media in the description box. You can go and check that out. I will also link all my previous videos in the description box. You can go and check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.